Hi, Janelle here, and today I'm going to show you how I dig up dandelion roots to use for dandelion tea or a dandelion coffee substitute. It's really simple and super nutritious and super easy to do. So let's get started. So right here in my garden, I have some dandelions that have come up again. It is September, so the prime dandelion season has passed, and the dandelions are a little bit smaller and not nearly as packed with vitamins and minerals as I would say in the springtime, but still very good and something I still am harvesting well into the fall. So I'm going to take the dandelion and go to the base and dig down as deep as I can go, because the roots go pretty deep, and just kind of pop up the root. Now, do you want to hold up? So you can see here, this root is about 1.5 inches long. Sometimes the roots are super long and really thick, but I am going to use this, and I'm going to save the greens for salad. Can I share? Yeah. Okay. Let me get another one. So over here, try to find a bigger bundle. When you have the bigger leaves, the roots are usually bigger.
Mama, look! Look!
So, oh yeah, that one is better.
Look! Look, Mama! Look! Look,
Smells good.
here.
That is a much better root.
Look, Mama!
And then,
look!
I see. Then what I'm going to do is just brush off the dirt while I'm outside. And when I go inside, I'll just break it, but I usually cut off the greens, and then I'll let this soak in a bowl of water for about 1 minute, and then I lightly scrub with either a clean cloth or a little clean sponge brush, and then I can simmer it and make my tea, and that will be in another video. So today was just to demonstrate how I dig them up, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to ask you to please subscribe, because subscribing helps this channel. It helps it grow if you take the time to hit the subscribe button. And also if you take the time to like or put a comment down below. I appreciate it, and I will respond to your comments and come again for another video. Thanks.